What is going on, my YouTube friends? I hope you guys are having wonderful weather like we are, man. The weather is fantastic here the last couple of days for being September, going into October. I'm sure the rain's a-coming, yeah, buddy. But anyhow, my wife and my kids bought me some birthday presents a little early. So I figured that I would open the boxes and show what we got going on, because these are some of the finishing touches to the Fairmont to get it going. Yeah, I know the wiring. Yeah, buddy, I do love wiring. Not. But anyhow, let's show you what we got going on. Yeah, buddy. Start this off. Hey, look it, man. They sent me a new hat. Boy, did I need a new hat. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, good thing it's in plastic because the back of this car is dusty. Oh, man, some more bubbles to pop. Yeah. Yeah, buddy. Gotta love our bubble wrap. Oh, yeah. We all need more stickers, right? Mm-hmm. So these are a couple things that I need to get. And this right here is the water temperature gauge. Yeah, so we got that. Got a couple gauges back here. Let's see which ones I got already. Had them for a while, so that's it. So there's the oil pressure gauge. So we got that, and then this one right here is the amps. So we got that. Let's see. Yay! More bubble wrap! Woohoo! Yeah! We got a couple more gauges here. Fuel pressure. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Got to know what our fuel pressure is, don't we? Uh-huh. And what we got going on here? Oh, yeah. Trans temp. Yeah, so we got that. So we got our gauges are pretty much covered, right? Yeah, maybe. We'll see. And then, I already showed you that one, it's the amp box. And then, I wonder what's in this box. Fragile. Fragile. So let's see. Oh, well, I know what it is, but you don't. Well, you might though. I've ordered one of these once before. Oh my goodness. Gotta have this, you know. Yep. Fragile. Let's open this up. Let's open this up. Well, let's take this box right here. Throw that out. Let's get some of these. This stuff makes a mess. I think they sent it to us just to be mean. So they make a mess. Ow! Staple got my finger. Oh, I throw more plastic bag in there. I know. Hurry up so you can see what's in the box. This is something that I've been contemplating on buying for a while, and I just haven't, because I wanted to get more of the car done. But my wife and kids were like, hey, man. Hey, Dad, what do you want for your birthday? And I'm like, oh, I know exactly what I want for my birthday. I hope you don't mind spending a little bit of that money you're making. Oh, boy. What a mess. My kids and my wife, they spoil me. They do. When it comes to Father's Day and my birthdays and stuff like that, my kids and my wife, they take good care of me. They do. I am definitely blessed. Wow. What a mess. But you know what? I'm getting tired of waiting. Put that down there. We'll just pick this up. Bring this over here. Oh, a mess, a mess. More bubble wrap. More bubble wrap. Oh, look at that. Huh? Is that nice? Yeah, let's pull this out of the wrapper here. I hate this stuff. Gets all over the place. It clings to you and everything else. Oh, more stickers. This is the same shifter I had in my 90 notchback that I had a few years back with 408 in it. So that's why I went with this shifter again. Oh yeah. Turbo action. Yes, buddy. I'm all excited. And I got more stickers. Yeah. Another sticker. Yeah. Yeah, this thing, my last one that I had in my 90 notchback years ago was definitely a good shifter. So that's kind of why I wanted to go with this again. But yeah, there it is. Look at that, huh? Reverse shift on it. Oh yeah, this is nice. This is nice. Neutral. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, baby. Look at that, huh? Neutral. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Got the line lock or the line locker. Line lock or the trans brake, one of the two, whatever you want to use it for. You know, which I just got a trans brake on this car. I don't think I need line lock. I don't. But yeah, this would fit nice right in there. Oh yeah, buddy. Let's turn this down a little bit. Here we go, look at that. Huh? Is that sweet or what? Neutral. 1, 2, 3. Neutral. 1, 2, 3. Man, oh man, I like this. I'm all excited and giddity. Woohoo, yeah, buddy. Pretty cool. So I got the gauges I needed. So turn this back up. So I got the gauges I needed. I got the shifter I needed. I am pretty excited. I got more bubbles to pop. Oh man, that was a silent one. Woo, baby, wonder if that's gonna stink. More stickers. Gotta love, that's a cool sticker though, ain't it? I gotta say I like it. That's a pretty good birthday present, wouldn't you say? Yeah, man. Like I says, I'm spoiled. My kids are good to me. So anyhow, guys, I appreciate you watching. You guys are awesome. If anybody tells you you're different, you tell them come see me and I'll tell them you're awesome, man. You guys have a great rest of your day, night, whatever time it is you watch this. And again, thank you for keep coming back. I appreciate each and every one of you. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And you know, don't forget to wish Sublime a happy birthday because today is his birthday. And I got presents. All right, guys, thanks for watching.